These fears do not touch you. So when we know, again I'm saying, when we understand, understanding is knowledge, when we know. Last week, you did not have any event of reaction, of being upset, of frustration, of fear. What it means, the first meaning, that is known as the mind is purified. So when the mental dirt is there, when the dirt is accumulated over the mirror, you cannot see your face. Same way, when the dirt is accumulated over the mind, we do not know who we are. So when that dirt is removed, the mind is purified. What happens? Always calm, peace, happiness. Were you happy all the time last week? Did your body cause any complaint? Did your mind say, no, I don't want to wake up today, I feel lazy?
No.
No. It's a simple question. It has nothing to do with any confidential question. If you feel there is a confidential question, then you stop. So this is what we have to check not only every week but every day in all the situation and condition and events. One more thing and then we will start with the chanting of the mantras. You see, now, I am with you. Yes. Time is there. Situation is there. So what is the opportunity? It is the learning. Now, learning opportunity, it is a situation. I am with you in that situation at this time. If your mind reacts to this, dislikes this, so it is your mental experience inside. What I said, no situation, no person, including your sibling, cause any anxiety, duality problem in my mind. It is my imagination, it is my thinking. I start thinking in a way I should not. Are you understanding that point?
Yes.
You're sitting at your home with all the siblings, and dad and mom and siblings did something, and your mind holds back and says, what the heck? It is your reaction, and your sibling is enjoying. So why should I create any reaction in my mind? I tell my mind, calm down. It has nothing to do with you. It has to do with the sibling. Sibling did not create any nuisance to make you feel bad. The sibling is acting naturally. You feel it bad in your mind. So feeling of being bad has to be removed. Did you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you making me bored? Do you feel like that?
No.
No. So once we understand that purification of the mind, that mind has no dust accumulated over it, I find peace and happiness, love and wisdom are always there with us. Invocation. All the mantras play a role of invocation. Why we invoke? When we start driving the car, we know where we are going. You know the destination. You don't take the car outside on highways, let me drive. Where are you going? I don't know, let me drive. What people will say. Let us smile, not a bit. People will say, are you crazy? Let us know, where are you going? Same way, all these mantras works, serves the purpose in the mind that we should know what is the goal, what is the method, what is the way, depending on the verse, depending on the mantra. So we'll find out that invocation, what the mantra ultimately, what the mantra conveys, what the mantra conveys to us. Either it is talking about the goal, one thing, it may talk about the goal, it may talk about the purpose of life, it may talk about the method or process by which we can achieve, we can find the real self. So, with that understanding in your mind, let us start our. We have not done almost for 3 weeks. This is the fourth one. 2 weeks we both did not meet. Yeah. So let us do it. And
Okay. Salvation was there,
Bhavatu
Salvation
Visham
was there,
Shantir Bhavatu
Salvation Punam Bhavatu. Salvation Mangalam Bhavatu. Om Shanti 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 Om
Shanti.
Shanti Shanti
Beautiful.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Meaning, you missed the meaning in between.
Oh yeah. May there be well-being for all. May there be peace for all. May there be completeness for all. May there be happiness for all.
Now say out of the goal, or you say the purpose of the mantra or the method or piece. So it doesn't tell about the method, but by chanting, by reciting, keeping in the mind, it tells me that what it tells me, the to realize peace as my essential nature is the goal of my life, because everyone has that peace and the well being and the completeness. Why shouldn't I do it? You don't want to live in peace and happiness?
Yes, I do.
So, this, that is why even while lying on the bed and you're retiring on the bed, you pick up any mantra and start repeating it rather than the mind is wandering here and there. I do it while lying down, and sometimes this is one of the mantras, Sarvesham Swastir Bhavatu. I say it mentally, then I mentally mentally ask the meaning. Oh, so everyone wants well-being. My honey, my all my relations, outer world, my students, the entire world is moving towards peace. Eastern wisdom tells me the way to get into the peace and happiness or well-being or making my life auspicious from moment to moment. That changes your behavior, your attitude, your response to the people. And that is what is happening. I am so